everyone, it is early evening and I am sitting outside, as you can clearly tell from the sound, and I think Willow might be upset because I left her inside. She doesn't like to be left alone, but I can't handle her on leash, and my cousin's not here, so I just left her inside. It's supposed to be sunny for the next week or so, so hopefully I can get outside more. And I don't know what I'm gonna do when I'm out here, but it's better than nothing, I guess. What was I gonna say? I don't remember. Like how I just didn't even brush my hair. I just kind of put it up and said the heck with it. I just didn't feel like brushing my hair this morning, so I didn't. Oh, I remember what I was gonna say now. I was gonna come out here, well, ever since a couple days ago, but I don't know, I did something to my legs and it really hurt to bend down or bend over or move my legs in a certain position. For those of you who don't know, I have rods and screws that go all the way from here all the way down to my knee, and yeah, those are the scars that you see. And that's in both legs. And occasionally, if I do something that my body is not used to, or I stop working out for a long period of time, which is what's happened in this case, or it's gonna rain, or the temperature changes, my legs start hurting. And so depending on how bad they hurt, I can't bend over a certain way, or I have a hard time getting off the floor. Getting off the floor. I can't talk. And so sometimes it's really hard for me to get up off the ground, so I just don't. But today my legs are doing pretty good, so I'm sitting outside. I had surgery on my legs because my toes were pointing towards each other. This was when I was little, and I had to wear braces and all that, and the bone that's supposed to be over here was over here. So the bone that's supposed to be like on the inside of your leg was over where my hip bone was. So they had to break that and move it over in both legs. And then they had to twist my femur around so that it was the right way, because it was all twisted up. And I was supposed to have the rods and screws removed when I was little, or when I was younger, but I never did because they never hurt, and now they're like embedded into my bone. And the doctor that I saw a couple of years ago, in fact, I think there's a video where I explained that, but he basically said that it would hurt worse if he removed them than if he just left them in. So, yeah, anyway, I think there might be a video. I can't remember what it's called though. Does anybody know? Anybody remember? I am genuinely surprised that there aren't mosquitoes out here, because it's like early evening, and usually in the summertime or close to summertime, there's always mosquitoes out here. So I am genuinely surprised that there are none. At least I'm not being eaten alive. Mosquitoes love me. Are you guys having problems with the mosquitoes where you live? Because so far, I don't feel any mosquitoes out here. And I'm hoping that it will stay that way. Hoping. That's the key word. Hoping. I came inside and Willow started playing with her toy. Baby's trying to get over the cord. Can you make it? Oh knew she was gonna do that. Oh. I'll just leave it like that until she gets done, and then I'll go plug it into the wall. So anyway, what I was saying is, Willow was playing with her toy, and I was trying to get her to bring it to me so I could show you guys, because it was really cute. This is like the first time that I know that she just like voluntarily went and got her toy and played with it. Like usually she'll get her toy, but then she'll like bring it to you and be like, throw it. Or she'll bring it to you and act like she's gonna put it down and then run away. So that was kind of cool. But I'm sorry that I didn't get her to bring me her toy so I could show you how she throws it. Spent a lot of time after that in the kitchen, petting Willow, having Willow lay on my feet, petting her with my feet. And I was waiting for supper to be done, and I've had supper, and now I'm just chilling out, thinking about reading a book. Side note, have y'all read the fourth Hunger Games book? Did you read the first 3? What'd you think? Let me know down in the comments. I had actually just downloaded that book, which is why I was asking. So, yeah. Leave a comment down below and let me know. My cousin ordered me some iPhone charger cords, and they're supposed to be here soon. I couldn't decide which ones I wanted, and I didn't know if the braided ones were any good. If you guys have used those, let me know how good they are. And I was supposed to go get a new phone battery today. I even took my phone into the kitchen and set it on the table to remind Larry that he was supposed to take my phone and see if my battery had come in yet. He went to bed and didn't do it. So now I have to wait until Monday to get a new phone battery. And I say this to say that this is one of the drawbacks about being blind, is that when you want to do something, it doesn't always happen. And it's kind of annoying, honestly. Here's Daily Dose of Dog. She's been kind of hobbling around all day. That's why she tripped over the old charger when I was filming earlier. She spent a lot of the day outside. I guess I'm gonna have to start giving her baby aspirin on a more daily basis. Her's getting old. Yeah, her's getting old. Showing all of her trying to. That's it for today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and shut her down. End it. It's done. I hope that you like this video enough to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're brand new. Ring that notification bell. Make sure it's set to all notifications. Leave a comment if you have something to say. Side note, I think I fixed that in my settings, so you should be able to leave comments on my videos from now on. Like my Facebook page and follow me on Twitter. Both of these are Steffi2010. They can be found on my YouTube page below the About section. They can also be found down in the description below. And down in the description below, there's also a link to transcribe or add closed captions to any or all of my videos, including this one right here that you're watching right now. So if you know a language other than English and you can help me out, I would really appreciate it. And I will definitely see y'all tomorrow. Bye, guys.